A very good morning, my dears. Welcome to our maths online class. In the previous class, we discussed prime and composite number. Today, we will discuss prime factors and factor tree method. Today, we will discuss finding prime factors. Prime factors, two methods are there. First one, by factor tree method. Here, given. Let us find out factor tree method by 24. Write down. What is the smallest prime factor? 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. You know already 12 2s are also 24. Now circle it. Then this is the smallest prime factor. Again this number. Another prime factor. Smallest prime factor 12. Okay. 2 6 are 12. And 2 6 are 12. Here write 12. And now continue to find smallest prime factor every step. Here 2, 2 3s are. 3 also smallest prime factor. The prime fact now after completion of these two, the prime factorization. All are prime numbers no 2, 2, 2, 3. The prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s 24, 8 3s are 24. First method is factor tree method. Now let us discuss by division method. Let us now find the prime factors of 24. Here 24 given. This is division method. What is the small factor? Prime factor. Small prime number is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again here also even number now. Then here we have to take 2. Because divisibility rule, as per rule of divisibility rule 2, which one is having 1's place even number, that is exactly divisible by 2. Here also in 1's digit 2. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Again we have to take 2. 2 3s are. Therefore, the prime factorization of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Both are getting same answer and methods only different. Complete the factor tree. First one 20 here given. So first smallest prime number is 2. So 2 tens are 20. So we have to write here 10. Then we have to divide 10. 2. Here 1's place 0 is there. So 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. This is like we have to find out prime factors, factor tree. Next, second one is 36. 2 into dash. 2 1s are 2. Remaining 1 is there, no? 1, 6, 16. 2 8s are 16. Right onwards we have to divide. 2 1s are 2. Remaining 1 is there. 1 6, 16. 1 6 becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. Then we have to divide 18. 2. As usual, we have to write down 2. So 2 9s are 18. Then 9 is odd number. So we have to take 3. Is there 3 in 3 table line? Yes. 3 3s are 9. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next, third one, 48. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Here even number again we have to take here also 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Next, here also even number in one's place. So again we have to take and divide 12. 2 6 are 12. Next, as usual we have to write 2 down and 6. 3 2s are 6 or 2 3s are also correct. So 48 prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Everyone must and should write in your textbook, Nana, this one. Page number 66. Page number 66. Roman number 2. Prime. Page number 66. Roman number 2. Find the prime factors of by division method. Here given 45. Find the prime factors by division method. Here asking division method, Nana. So look here. Here 45 is there. In 1's place 5 is there. No. 5 is even or odd number. So we have to divide odd number. First, divide the number by the smallest prime number. 2 is not divisible because here odd number, no. So then what is next number? 3. 3 1s are 3. Remaining leftover 1 is there. 3 5s are 15. If you want to check this it is correct or not, do the division. 45 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So here we have to get remainder 0, no? So here 15. Again in 1's place odd number. So again we have to take smallest prime number. 3. 2 after 3, no? 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Therefore, the prime factors are the prime factorization of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 1. 3 into 3 into 5 into 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 1s are 45. This like we have to do all problems. Second one is 72. Find out prime factors using by factored by division method. Using division method, here 2 is there. 2 is even number, so smallest prime number is 2, no. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1. Leftover 1. 1 to 12. 2 6 are 12. Again here even number, no. So 2. Smallest even prime number 2. 2 1s are 2. Leftover 1. 16. 1 6 16. 2 8s are 16. Then here 2. Because even number, no, 8 also. 2 9s are 18. 9 is odd number. 2 after what comes next prime number? 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. The prime factorization of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3 into 3 into 1. 3 into 3 into 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 72. 72 ones are 70. Is it clear everybody, my dears? If you don't know how to find out this 36, then you have to do division. Okay? 2 3s are 6, 12. 2 6 are 12. This is also another way of find out. Okay? 2 into 36. Third one is 70. 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 0, 10. 2 5s are 10. Here 5 is there, no? So, let us take next number 5. 5 sevens are 35. 7 ones are 7. Here, why don't you take 3? When we divide 35 by 3, we did not get remainder 0. 3 ones are 3. 5. Again 3 ones are 3. 2. We did not get remainder 0. That's why we have to take here. 5. When we take 5, we have to get remainder 0. 5 sevens are 35. Up to repeat this process. Okay? 2 35s are 70. 5 sevens are 35. 7 ones are 7. So the prime factorization of 70 is 2 into 5 into 7 into 1. 2 into 5 into 7 into 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 7s are 70. Next, fourth one is 93. Here we did not take smallest prime number because when we take 2, we did not get remainder here 0. So, we have to choose here 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 31 ones are 31 because 31 is also prime number. No, not there any other factor. 1 and itself only factors. 3 into 31 into 3. 93's prime factors are 31 into 3. 3 3s are 3. 31s are 93. Okay? Next, everybody open your textbook page number 67. Roman number 1. Find the factors of the given number. Circle the common factors and list them. Find the factors of the given numbers. Which are common factors? Circle it. Okay? Now, let's find out factors of 12. We know already how to find out factors of 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. And factors of 15. Because here even number not there. So that's why we have to take next prime number 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. When you are perfect in tables, that time only you have to do fast. So you have to learn tables first. Then factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 1 is every number has a common factor, no? Next, factors of 15 are 3 into 5. So what are the common factors of both numbers? 3 is the common factor of both numbers. So common factors are 3 only. This like we have to find out common factors. Second one is 15 comma 21. Let's find out common factors of 15. Here odd number. So 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Next number is 21. So here also even number. Then we have to take next prime number 3. 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. When we take 1 up to 1, that time onwards you have to take. So let's next we have to write here factors of 15. First factors of 15, factors of 21. What are the factors of 15? 3, 5, 1. 3 into 5. Next 3 into 7. 21 factors are 3 into 7. What is the common factors of both numbers? 3. 3 is the common factors of both numbers. Next, third one is 22, 23. So, let's find out 22 factors. Here even number no. Then we have to start 2. 2, 11. 2 1 jar 2. 2 1 jar 2. 11 is prime number. Not there any factors of 11. 11 1 jar 11. 1 and itself only factors. Next, second number is 33. Sorry, here 33. 33. What number we have to take here? Here we have to take 3 because here odd number no. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 11 1s are 11. Now let's write factors of 22. What are the factors of 22? 2 into 11. And what are the factors of 33? 3 into 11. What is the common factor of both numbers? 11 is the common factor of both numbers. Then we have to write common factor is 11. Fourth one is 26, 39. Find out common factors these two numbers. Let's find out 26 factors. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 13 is prime number. Not there any other factors. 1 and itself. 13 1s are 13. Next, we have to take 39. Here, what number we have to take to divide? Here we have to take 3 because here even number not there. Odd number only there. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So, again 13 we have to get. 1 13s are 13. 1 13s are 13. Or 13 1s are 13. Factors of 26 are 2 into 13. Factors of 39 are 3 into 13. What are the both common factor of these two numbers? 13. So, common factor of these two 26 and 39 is 13 is the common factor. This like you have to find out remaining two problems, Rana. Find the multiples of the following pair of numbers and sort their common multiples. Here asking multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Write the common multiples are both numbers having. Which are common multiples? Write down. Now find out multiples of 2. We know already 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 2 11s are 22. Then multiples of 3 are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 9s are 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. Which are common multiples both numbers having here? 6. Circle it 6. Then 12. Then 18. Enough. So common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18. Multiples of 4 are. Now find out multiples of 4. 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 44. Next, 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55. Here, what are common multiples of in these two tables? 20. Circle it. 20. Then 40. Common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20 and 40. Okay, write like this. Ring the multiples of 2. Put a square around the multiples of 4. List their common multiples. Here asking, ring the multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 2 11s are 22. 2 12s are 24. 2 13s are 26. 2 14s are 28. 2 15s are 30. Ring the multiples of 2. 2 multiples circled. After that, put a square around the multiples of 4. 2 square 4. What are multiples of 4? 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. Enough. Common multiples are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. First, ring the multiples of 2. After that, put a square around the multiples of 4. 2 square is equal to 4. 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12. Which are having circle and cross out, that are common multiples, and write down here given blank. Okay. What are common multiples of these two? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Everyone must and should write in your textbook. Okay, Nana? Now, everyone open your multiple choice questions. Page number 70, multiple choice questions. A natural number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called. Which is having only 1 and itself factors, that is called prime number. We learned already in the previous class. No? Take this answer. Take this, a prime number. A number it has more than two factors are called composite number. Take this. The smallest even prime number is 2. The smallest even prime number is 2. Every prime number except dash is odd. 2 is odd. 2 except 2, remaining all prime numbers are odd numbers. The prime numbers between 1 and 50 are. We wrote already yesterday. How many numbers are there? 1 and 50? 50 numbers are there. The smallest even composite number is 4. Even composite number 4 onwards, smallest even composite number, because 2 3 are prime numbers. No, That's why. Two prime numbers whose difference 3. These are two prime numbers. 5 minus 2, 3. Here one composite, one prime. Here one prime number, one composite number. So, two prime numbers here given, which is difference 3. The smallest odd prime number is 3. All even numbers are multiples of 2. All even numbers are multiples of 2. Last one is two consecutive prime numbers are 2 and 3. Two consecutive prime numbers are 2 and 3. Everyone must and should write your textbook, Nana. Take these answers. Let us meet again next class, a new chapter.